Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're at the J6 experience in 2025. So let's get in. The J6 got discontinued a long back. So let's on this thing up. Okay, so here's the back of this thing. Duo Samsung. It's also a dual camera system. Now let's on it. You see, it's a J6 Plus. It's powered by Android. You see that? By the way, this kind of gives me the chills. Now it's secured by locks. By the way, it's a very old phone. It scares me a lot. Like, it makes me tremble like a ton. Anyways, even it has a cracked screen. You see the cracks? It's a bit dark, so you may not be able to see it. Okay, the phone OS is starting. So just wait for a moment. You see? See that? It's starting the phone. By the way, it runs Android 9. Okay? And then the One UI is One UI 1.0. Well, I wonder if there are any security updates. We're not going to be updating this thing though. I wonder if it has more updates than the A30s that we have. Oh, there it is. See? There are cracks. See? That's the phone. Of course I'm going to be heading into settings. Come on, settings. Nope, we're in settings. Now we're going to hit about phone. Oh, that's the classic. Here it is, Android 9. I'm struggling with this. Okay. Wait, do I have to get it further or closer? I don't really know. Okay. It's Android 9. Now let's check out this thing. This is quite old. This is quite old. At the time it was quite old. It's quite old. Now let's take out the camera. Oh, it works properly. Let's go. The camera functions. It's the front camera. You see, it's a bit laggy. Now, if you didn't know, this is a J6 Plus. That's the 6 Plus. Software info. It's your One UI version 1.0. Okay, let's see. Oops, I accidentally opened up the internet. Yep. You know, in One UI, it introduced these buttons. See? These 3 buttons. You see them? Also, you know, this phone belonged to my dad. Yeah, it belonged to him. But now, he's got an iPhone 15 Pro, which has Face ID, even has recognition, even swipe ID. You know, you could swipe. Now, let's check out some features on this thing. Bruh, could you just be quiet? Notifications. Guys, you know, this thing is quite old. Especially the back. You see? And you know, Skype got discontinued when the J series got discontinued, I guess. You know, the Skype app got discontinued 1 year before. And Galaxy J6 Plus got discontinued way back in time. So now it's time to rehearse the Skype logo. You see it? That's Skype. It's quite an old. Even my Quran teacher has it. Even, you know, I have it in my Windows 11. Okay, so it even has the old camera icons. Whoa. You see the old icons? This brings me back in time. Yeah, look at the Roblox, the smart switch. See, look at all of that. So old. It's so old, guys. So I guess that's the end. Hope you liked it. See you soon. Bye. Also, if you want me to do more, so please leave a like and comment down below. Yes, I want to. And also subscribe. It'll help a lot. And thank you guys. Bye.